Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I am here with the new PHP script of Hyip Investment System. So this name of this script is Hyip Max Investment System. This is the most advanced Hyip Investment System script. So you can see this Hype, this is on my domain name, main website is hosted, so websparrow.xyz. So you can see this is complete correct website, hosted website. So let me tell you that to create this complete website, you must need a Hype Max PHP script. So for PHP script, you can contact me on the number given on screen or link is in description. You can click on link and contact me on WhatsApp. So don't need to worry about the price. Come to inbox and we will negotiate on the price of script. Or if you want us to make complete website for you, or if you want any changes in website, we will also do it for you. So don't worry about it. So this is the home page of the website. You can see how amazing this home page is. This is get started option. Click on get started. You will redirect it to the login page and you can log in and create your account. So here is a trusted by more than 30,000 users. You can change all the details. You can change the logo. You can change everything you want to change through admin panel. So this website is with admin panel. I will also give you the review of admin panel also. So here you can create your amount and select your plan, calculate earning. Here you can change about page, images, everything you want to change you can change it through admin panel. So here is why you choose as registered company. You can add your features right here. You can also change them, delete them. And here is the investment plan section. You can list your own plans or change them, edit them, delete them, whatever you want to do through admin panel. So here you can choose the plan. You will directly redirect it to your profile and you can choose plan and invest in the website. So here are different plan sections. Here is so now these are all the plans, how it works: create account, choose plan and get profit. So these are a commonly asked question section. Here are recent transaction, recent withdrawal, latest withdrawal section. So there's a top investor section, 5 steps, referential programs. You can change them in a way you want. These are recent blog section. Here is blogs, all the blogs on your website. So this is the Hype Max footer. So you can change everything on the footer section. Now let me give you the view of other pages. So these are some, when you click on it, here is the investment plan page. These are all the separated pages. So you can also visit them separately by you going to these pages. So here is a contact page, blog page. Here by clicking can contact, you can contact the developer of website or owner of website. Here is a dashboard. I've already logged into the website. So if you have account, you can directly log in. If you don't have an account, you have to register and then log into website. So I've just logged in to my dashboard. So this is my amazing dashboard of this website. You can see everything about your account. You can see your account balance, your account withdrawals, you can total deposit, 0 USDT. So everything about your account you can see here. Here is your referral link. You can invite your friends and earn money through referrals. So this is the dashboard of the user. So this is user dashboard. Now I will give you the demo of admin page. So I will open the admin in another browser. So this is the admin panel of this website. You can see how amazing its admin panel is. You can see all your notifications of latest transactions, new users added, registered to your website by clicking it. So this is how you can see everything. So by clicking, so these are all the all your things on the website. So here is the total invest, total pending invest, total users on your website. You can see from here. So total withdrawals, everything on your website you can see here. So these are all the graph section. You can see graphs of transactions. You can see total payment gateways, withdrawals and everything about users. So these are some other settings. You can see everything. You can change the complete structure of website through here. Here's a manage referral. You can manage referrals through here. Here is manage plans. You can manage plans from this section. So these are all the plan, daily, hourly. You can add plan, edit them in a way what you want to do with the website you can do. So here you can manage users, you can manage active users, deactivate users, and here is a ticket option. These are all the payment gateway. So there are automatic payment gateways such as PayPal, Stripe, Coin payments and many other. So if you want to create your own payment gateway manually, there will be is a easy process. You can click on create payment gateway and create your own payment gateway from here. So don't worry about this. So these are all the manual payments, manual withdrawals, manage deposits, manage themes. So there are two themes of website. You can choose any theme you want to show. So here's one that we are using, and other is green theme. This is an amazing theme. What you like, you can choose anything. So here's the email settings of your website. You can configure email or email templates. Your general setting options. You can change the complete site setting from general settings. So from general settings, I will go to my general settings, and you can see you can, yeah, change your site title from here. You can change currency of your site. You can change sign up bonuses, SMS keys, and email verifications. You can control your site from here. Here you can change images on your site. So these are all the general setting options. So here are some other options of general settings. So I will open general setting options. So here are preloader settings, Google Analytics setting, cookie settings, and any SEO settings. So from here you can manage languages and other things. So this is the complete overview, the general quick overview of this website. Now if you want the script, you can contact me and I will provide you the script. So this is the admin panel of this website. So I've already made it a complete video on this website. You can watch this video for complete guideline. So this is the quick overview of this website on mobile phone. So if you want to purchase PHP script, contact me on WhatsApp, and don't worry about the price. We will negotiate on the price. Thanks for watching this video.